One of the best places to understand the power of ice is the huge bay along the northwestern coast of Antarctica, the Weddell Sea. Here, a constant gale blows and cools the seawater to freezing temperatures. At a microscopic level, tiny crystals start to grow, knitting themselves together. As the crystals bond, they expel salt into the water. The salt forms brine that drips down long, narrow tubes and holes in the ice as it forms. The brine is denser than regular seawater, and it sinks downwards. What started as a microscopic process can soon be seen from space. Each year, more than 200 billion tons of ice form in the Weddell Sea alone, releasing tens of trillions of tons of dense brine into the ocean. The satellite data allows scientists to make a three-dimensional map of the ocean floor beneath the Weddell Sea. It reveals a vast chasm, 2 miles deep, off Antarctica's continental shelf. As the brine descends into the ocean, it eventually falls over this precipice. Scientists can reconstruct what is happening hidden beneath the ice. What they learn is astounding. 1 trillion gallons of salty brine plunge down through the Weddell Sea every hour, a torrent equivalent to the volume of 500 Niagara Falls. This animation shows the undersea current in action. The purple area is the brine. The outflow from Antarctica drives the salty water towards the equator along the sea floor. The cold, salty liquid becomes part of a worldwide circulation system, stirring and cooling all the world's oceans. Leaving Antarctica, it has embarked on a journey that could take 1,000 years to complete. As it migrates towards the equator, the cold bottom current mixes with fresher and warmer water and slowly rises. It then joins other ocean currents and eventually returns south, where it cools once more. Finally returning to Antarctica, the seawater freezes and releases its salt again, completing the cycle. It's an endless loop that is critical to the whole planet. Orbiting 22,000 miles from Earth's surface is a chain of 5 weather-tracking spacecraft, including this one, NASA's GOES East. GOES is an acronym for Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellite. Each moves in a fixed position relative to the Earth, called a geostationary orbit. They always look down on the same parts of the planet. The combined data from these 5 satellites gives scientists a unique perspective on the Earth.